Hey guys, welcome back for another video of the Tokyo Life. This time we're going to be exploring some interesting vending machines and then also possibly a hidden shrine in Akihabara. This is the weird vending machine place that you've probably seen on other YouTube videos and blogs and Instagram stories about it. So we're gonna go and see how weird it is, okay? So let's go. Okay. So it's actually not as big as I thought it would be. So it looks like we can get some, I'm not sure what this stuff is. Some mochi, and there's some, I think some of these mystery ones, but unfortunately my Japanese isn't that great, so I don't really know exactly what it says. But inside it could be anything, you know, it could be a snack or it could be like one of these random bug toys, which is quite interesting. So it is Japan, so it doesn't really surprise me. And it looks like a lot of the stuff's kind of just sold out already. Some Mongolian rock salt. That's interesting. Okay, so I think, oh, here's the popcorn vending machine. Yeah. But let's go inside and see what else there is. Place here. Yeah, it's kind of just the same stuff. Some more
beetles, right?
Yeah, more beetles. All right, so that was the weird vending machine. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything here just because it's kind of the same stuff. And I think the majority of those mystery boxes are just like little cookies or little treats. But it's supposed to have like some kind of weird message in it. I don't know, should we buy one?
That's fine.
Just to see? Okay, which one should we get? So these are 690 yen each, which is actually, I think, just like $5 US. So it's pretty cheap. I just don't know what it is we're gonna get.
I think you have to press the button.
Okay, yeah, let's go this one here, 34. Ooh, it's nice and cold in there. All right, we got our mystery box here. Let's go inside and open this one up. So I think it has a message. We need Taka here to read it for us. So, yeah, I think this is probably a weird story, or sometimes it's like crime articles, but we'll take a picture later and yeah, we'll use Google Translate and then I'll put it up on the screen. I think I called it with the biscuit and the snacks here. So some animal crackers for like 690.
Look at that popcorns, right?
So yeah, I mean, I don't know. I guess it's pretty fun experience, but let's go ahead and go to our next location. All right, guys. So we are at the next vending machine spot. And this one sells a variety of different Katsu sandwiches. So we're gonna try one and see. So I think this is like the original one that they have.
Katsu Sandwich. I think this is burger, right?
Yeah, this one's hamburg one.
Good.
This is hirekatsu, which is like it's a different cut of the pork. I think it's a little bit more lean. less fat, and then this one is the volume hire. So I guess this is 1.5 times the meat. And I think we're just gonna go with the, let's just try the original one here. So we got the original one. We're gonna go ahead and give it a try. And also behind me there's also a hand washing sink, which is pretty nice to have. And it doesn't work, so. It even comes with a little wet tissue because the sink back there doesn't work. And it's cut into six little sections for us here. All right, I'm excited to try this. I haven't had breakfast yet. Let me grab a little piece here. Look at this cut here.
1 to 5.
Sauce is good. Bread's really soft. The only thing that could make it better if it was warm. You can see it's got a lot of sauce on there. Pretty good ratio of pork to bread. For something that you just get out of a vending machine, you know, it's still really good deal. Pretty awesome to have this option. I'm gonna finish eating up the sandwich real quick, and then we're gonna go and try to find the there's like a hidden shrine, supposedly. So let's go and check it out. Alright guys, so we are, I think we're at the location, at the secret entrance, but it looks like it's blocked off. So I think we walk down this little alley here. And it looks like it's tied there. Let's see if we can go around and maybe find a different way to get through. Yeah, so I... Oh!
What does it say?
I'm not really sure what this says. It looks like do not enter, but... Yeah, it says no trespassing, but
they will notify the police, so...
Okay. Don't call the police if you're going... Let's see if we can go around the backside where there's less people. Okay, I think we can go this way. Oh, and it's right here. So yeah, the cool thing is this shrine is just right in the middle of, right in between all of these tall buildings. There's a bunch of fox statues. Well, this was the hidden secret shrine. It's kind of cool. It's pretty small. I think it would be cool to come here, you know, like after midnight. Maybe it'll be more spooky. But the entrance was actually quite easy to get to. I think it would have been more fun if we went this way. But there's cones and signs that says we'll get the cops called. So we're not gonna do that. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you were able to enjoy seeing some of the vending machines and also the secret shrine in Akihabara. All right, so if you liked the video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.